Okay, boys and girls, we're going to do our word work center today. For this center, you're going to move pictures on a slide. So to get started, you're going to click to the next slide. And we're going to look at the letter A. So remember, A says like apple. It says move the correct pictures to the clipboard. So you're going to move these pictures. There's going to be 3 of them that start with the sound. So we have arrow, duck, alligator, ant, yarn. So you're going to click on a picture, and if it starts with you're going to move it to the clipboard, like alligator. We're going to do this for the letter A and the letter B. So on our letter B slide, we have bus. Then your pictures are dolphin, ball, bed, bell, football. So on this slide, you're also going to move the 3 pictures that start with b. Okay, friends, so remember, you're going to click to the next slide to get started.